Good afternoon, everyone. I want to open with a quick thought. I think a lot of us have made some stupid mistakes when we were 21, and it's all right. I think back to a mistake that I would often make right around when I first got my ID. And no, I'm not talking about going to Vegas or some club and blowing all my money on a bunch of little delayed there. But the mistake I'm talking about was much worse than that. The mistake I'm talking about is that I would order the same exact thing every time I was out at the bar. And this wasn't a problem that I just struggled with, but everybody on our team, including our friends. And this problem was that drinkers struggle with ordering drinks. It really boils down to the fact that there's just so many drink options out there. It's such an overwhelming variety if you don't know what you're looking at. And at this point, we've really only been drinking cheap beer, so we don't really know what we like or what we dislike yet. And we lack the knowledge to know what certain liquor types taste like and if we like a drink strong or more sweet. So this was a very real issue to us, but we had to see if it was as widespread as we thought. We conducted 3 avenues of research, the first being a social media post. We had 156 people that wrote in, and this confirmed the problem that new drinkers do in fact struggle with ordering drinks. Then we conducted a survey with 120 participants, and this helped to determine our target audience of 21 to 28-year-olds. Finally, throughout the life cycle of our project, we conducted user interviews, and this not only helped us to determine details and features of our project, but actually get into the heads of our audience and figure out what part of the ordering process was such a challenge for them.
So from our user research, we found out that around 90% of inexperienced drinkers said that they had trouble deciding what drink to order at the bar. Additionally, 3 out of 4 of them also said that they were really eager to learn more about cocktails. So to quote our participants, one of them actually said that they were really intimidated when they first went out to the bar. And the reason was because they just didn't know what drink to order. One of them also said that they often felt overwhelmed by the amount of drinks available on the menu, and they wished that the menu would provide more information about the drinks, not just the ingredients, but also how the drinks were going to taste like, whether they were going to be sweet or salty or strong.
After we verify our assumptions, we crafted a solution that aimed to tackle these 3 main problems new drinkers struggle with. It seeks to help our user explore the variety of drinks, develop personal taste, and build their knowledge. Now, introducing Clink. Clink is the better drinking experience. It's designed to help new drinkers find out what they want to order at the bar. It's aimed to minimize the intrusion when used in a bar setting. You can get recommendations with just a quick glance. This ensures that the app enhances the bar experience without disrupting it. We also chose a dark mode interface to help our users see in dimly lit bars without binding their eyes. Clink has a photo-driven design. It features lots of images. Our research shows that users often choose drink based on their appearance. This visual emphasis helps enhance the user engagement and also assist them during the decision-making process. Finally, for our prototype, we leverage AI-generated images to ensure a consistent aesthetic across the application. It also provides a repeatable workflow for the future expansion of the catalog.
Upon entering the home screen, users are presented with 6 daily recommendations. Based off user feedback gathered from interviews and surveys, we adopted a less is more approach, providing all essential information at a glance. What makes Clink more personal is how it adapts to your preferences based off your interactions with each drink. So once Clink learns from these interactions, ingredients and flavors from drinks you like will appear more frequently, while elements from drinks you dislike appear less often. Users can easily save their favorite drinks to a personalized drink list and share them with their friends, making it simple to recommend and discover new drinks together.
So now I'll be talking about the features of the user profile. This is where you're going to see a catalog of all the drinks that you've previously liked on Clink. You're able to customize your profile, and you can also update your base liquor preferences and your taste preferences. On the profile, you see 3 tags that are on the profile, which are auto-generated, and these are from tags that are associated to drink cards. You can also see 2 different tabs on the user profile, the first one being the History tab. This is where you're going to see those individual drink cards that you previously liked on Clink, and they're displayed in chronological order. So this makes it a much more efficient experience for you to revisit any of these drink cards. The next tab houses the collections that you've either created or saved, And for the collections that you have created, you're able to edit them by either adding or deleting drink cards, and you also have the option to update the collection title. So upon user testing, the designs of these flows have been proven to be seamless and intuitive.
Our search flow adheres to established design conventions commonly found in other applications. This strategy aims to minimize the learning curve, allowing our users to quickly and intuitively navigate the app. When you start search, we have autocompletes that can help you quickly find what you're looking for, filters to help you narrow down your selections. You can also explore collections created by other users. Now you know what Clink is, let's see it in action.
What can I get started for you guys?
I'll just get a vodka cran.
Okay, playing it a bit safe. For you?
I'm gonna get the same thing.
You guys really like your cranberry, huh? And for you?
I think I'll do a mojito.
Good choice. Come right up.
A mojito? Where did you even find it?
I actually got it recommended to me by Clink.
What's Clink?
It's an app that recommends drinks to you based on what you like.
Well, I think I made the right choice.
Now that's good. Thank you all so much for taking the time to be here today and listen to our presentation. We're confident that Clink is the better drinking experience. Please stop by our booth to enjoy a free mocktail and learn more about our app. Thanks again, and remember to please drink responsibly.